Most people think they're killing their plants because they forget to water them. But the truth is they're watering too much. Overwatering is the #1 reason plants die indoors. Not underwatering. Today, I'll show you exactly how to water your plants correctly so you never guess again. And there's one simple test that tells you in 5 seconds whether your plant needs water or not. Most people never use it. I'll show you how in a moment. Part 1, Why Overwatering Happens. People water on a schedule. Every 3 days, or once a week. Plants don't work like that. Watering depends on light, temperature, soil, and pot size. Listen to me carefully, stop watering on a schedule. It is destroying your plants. Quick check, do you water your plants on a schedule? Tell me, schedule, or random, in the comments. Part 2, the 5-second finger test. This is the most reliable method. Put your finger 2 to 3 centimeters into the soil. If it feels dry, water. If it feels moist, wait. In a moment, I'll show you why even this method can fail sometimes and exactly how to fix it. Part 3, How much water is correct. The rule is simple, water deeply, not frequently. The correct way is to water until it drains from the bottom, then stop. And remember, never leave water sitting in the tray. I used to give my plants small amounts of water almost every day. It felt like I was caring for them. But I was actually suffocating the roots. The finger test fails when the top soil is dry, but the deeper soil is still wet. The fix, push your finger deeper, or lift the pot for the weight test. Next, I'll show you the biggest watering mistake that silently kills roots even if you water correctly. Part 4, The Hidden Killer. Drainage. A pot with no drainage hole equals danger. Water stays trapped, and roots rot. Always use pots with drainage or remove excess water immediately. Bonus secret, never use freezing cold tap water. It shocks the roots. Use room temperature water. And let it sit for 24 hours so the harmful chlorine evaporates. Part 5, Advanced Trick. The weight method. Lift your plant. Dry soil is light. Wet soil is heavy. Over time, you'll feel the difference instantly without even touching the soil. In the next section, I'll give you a simple rule that works for almost every plant, no guessing needed. Part 6, The Universal Watering Rule. Most indoor plants prefer a cycle, dry, then water, then dry again. They do not want constant moisture. If you follow this cycle, you avoid 90% of watering problems. Be honest, what kills your plants more? Overwatering or underwatering? Let me know below. Also, comment the name of your plant and I'll tell you exactly how often you should water it. If you want simple plant care that actually works, subscribe to the Urban Leaf. Watering isn't about routine. It's about understanding. Once you read your plant correctly, everything becomes easier. No guessing. No stress. Leave a like. Next, best soil mix. Growing calm in small spaces.